guys, welcome back to my channel Born Humitas, and this is makeup review video. So I'm going to review LA Girl Neon eyeshadow palette. I like colorful palettes more, so yeah, so I was searching for colorful palette or else neon palette, and some palettes were out of my budget, and I finally found this LA Girl neon eyeshadow palette. So you will get this palette from purple.com, Nykaa, and so right now on Amazon it's not available, it's out of stock, but definitely you will buy this palette from Nykaa and purple.com. I bought it from purple.com and I got discount offer. I think Independence sale was going on and I bought it from there, so I'll mention all the links in the description box. So yeah, without a further ado, let's get to the video. And to create look, and also I'm going to tell you about this palette, means how these colors are, and let's talk while shooting. So already I have done my base makeup. No, everything I have done except my eyes. So I'm going to start with concealer, Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in shade 100. So actually I have used this palette more than 2 weeks, and I'm going to show you difference how it pop up on eye with concealer or eye primer, or without concealer or eye primer. So we are going to do both eyes at the same time simultaneously, and I'm going to show you difference how these colors actually pop up on your eyes with prime or without prime, so you will get idea. So basically we will get 12 eyeshadows, and this brush with it. I have used this, but I don't think it's useful, and this one is very bad quality. I don't like brush. I was expecting a quite good brush in this palette, but that expectation was not up to the mark. Okay, so I'm going to blend this using my finger only. Okay, so we'll get this. We have mirror in this palette, a small mirror. So I think this one is pretty useful. I need a beauty blender. I'm using this. I'm not going to apply any concealer on this eye because I want to show you guys difference. And I'm not going to set my this concealer using any setting powder or loose powder or compact powder, because I want to directly apply those colors on my this eye. And I'm going to use this 4 brushes. I'm so sorry, I have used brushes, I have not washed it, but yeah, we are going to work with it using. I'm definitely going to clean it with cotton pad, and then I'm going to use these brushes. But I wanted to tell you guys, I'm going to use these 4 brushes, and I have already reviewed these brushes. I have bought all these brushes from Amazon. They are pretty affordable and they work so well. Please check out my videos, I have already reviewed it. So yeah, without wasting a time, let's actually work on eyeshadow. So I was very happy when I found out that it has black and white and also that silver color in it. So yeah, we are going to start off with this pista color. I love this color, so I'm going to start off with this. And let me tell you guys, all these colors are chalky, and they have a little amount of shimmer in it. It's not that much visible, but these all colors have shimmer particles. And yeah, so I'm going to take this color right here. They have major fallout. I'm going to feel. This is the second layer of this eyeshadow, and look at this. this is very beautiful color, but at the same time I feel like I was expecting more from this color, because they are little bit chalky, and they are not that supremely pigmented. so this much pigmentation I got on the eye. I have applied concealer, and now we are going to apply it on other eyelid, sorry, eye crease. Major fallout, I don't like this. And Elegol is not Indian brand, it's American brand. I was expecting way more from this palette. You know, only this color, I think it's feel like it is only neon color. And okay, so this color, I feel like it's pretty neon, and this color, I don't like this color. It's not even pigmented, because I have already created look using this palette and I have posted it on my Instagram, and this is second year. Okay, and if you haven't watched it, then please check on my Instagram account, you will get to know. Okay, so this is the difference between two eyes. And now I wanted to show you guys how this brush works. It is not at all up to the mark I was expecting, but still. So I'm going to cut my crease using this brush on this eye, and I'm not going to cut crease on this eye. I'm going to use white eyeshadow of this palette, and on the top of that color I'm going to apply other colors. So yeah. Oh. So I think, you know, only to apply concealer we can definitely use this brush, but its working is not that much smooth. Yes. And okay, it's done. And now I'm going to use this eyeshadow applicator, and I'm going to use this white eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on this. Okay. That is pretty well. So I haven't used this color before, and it's working okay. I mean, it's even showing on this green color, that means it's great. Okay, fine. Now we are going to, I'm going to use most of the colors so that we'll get idea how this palette is actually working. So I'm going to start off with this dark shade, and I'm going to place that right here. I don't know what I'm going to create today, which look. I'm just going with the flow, and I'm just trying out. You see the difference? This is the lighter shade, and this is the shade I have just applied. I was expecting it's more pigmented. But that's okay. Fine. So same process we are going to. I'm just placing that color. Okay, so it's really popping up on this side more than this. It's weird. This is irritating me. Okay, that's fine. So let's move on to this color. Now I'm going to take purple shade, this one, and I'm going to apply it on this area. So as I told you already, all colors have small shimmer particles, and they are a major problem, which I don't like. Okay, so make sure you are not crossing this in between line. I'm just dabbing this color into my outer V. Same I'm going to do with this eye. Oh, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Great. Oh. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so definitely this concealer thing is working in this but on this eye, and this color is actually popping up on my this eye, even though I have applied white eyeshadow which has shimmer already in it. Okay, and even it's blending good. Then I'm going to use this dark blue sky color, and I'm going to apply it right after purple shade, removing excess right here. I'm just placing this color and making sure I'm not going above this line. And this is the second layer of this color. And it's looking pretty. Oh. It's not popping up really on this eye. This is second layer. So these colors are more like pastel with little shimmer in it. I was expecting little soft buttery, like I have Wet n Wild single icon eyeshadows, and I didn't know about it that they are so soft and buttery. They have glitters and shimmers also, so I was expecting okay, but they are way more beautiful than my expectation. This is the third layer. I'm placing it carefully. Okay, so clearly we can see the difference. It is looking more bright and vibrant, and this one is looking like more pastel. Except this purple color is not looking like pastel. It's looking okay. It has shimmer, if you can see. But this blue color is looking more pastel. Then yeah. Okay, now I'm going to put this color, sea blue, like sea blue color, and I'm going to place it in this area. Wow, I love this color. It is amazing. It looks so beautiful. Now on this eye I'm going to try it. This is the third layer on this eye, and I'm going to blend that in this middle blue color. This color is right here. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, and this is how this eye look. Okay, so definitely you are going to see this line, this partition, but on this eye you will not see that line. And definitely we can fix this. We can use concealer and we can just do that thing, but I wanted to show the difference, so that's why I didn't do that. But definitely you can see the difference between these two eyes. These colors are looking more vibrant. So upper eye look turned out pretty well, and let's start with lower lash line. So I wanted to try with this color on my lower lash line, and I'm again using this brush from this palette. I'm going to take good amount of this color. I really hoping this color pop up in my eye, and I'm going to press that on my lower lash line. Okay, so it's hurting. I'm going to switch. I'm going to use this brush. It's not showing up on my eye. Do you see? No, it's not. Okay, so let's use this color right here. No. Let's use this color. Whoa. Okay, so this color is not pastel color. Oh, so this color turned out so well, if you can see. So this color is darker shade of this color. I don't feel like it's pastel. It turned out little buttery color, and this color doesn't even have fallout problem. Wow, I love this color totally. Look at this. God, this color is amazing. So I love this color in this palette. Also, I like white color. It's really popping up very nicely, and the purple color also is good. But these two colors, fail. No, I didn't like that. And okay, let's highlight using white color. I'm going to use this eyeshadow applicator. I'm going to place I love white color. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Okay, so I wanted to add some drama. Drama means glitter. Okay, so this one is Kiss Beauty 24K glitter eyeliner, and I'm just going from here, very thin line. Look at this. Glitter can make everything good. So using this glitter, I'm just defining my crease line more precisely, and it looks beautiful though. And it looks beautiful also. Look at this, how beautiful it is looking. Okay, so this is the final result. I have applied mascara also. I have not added any eyeliner, black eyeliner. I wanted it to be like this much dramatic. Okay, so yeah, so you can clearly see a little difference in these two eyes. This one is looking good, more vibrant, and this is looking little less vibrant. So I am going to suggest you to apply concealer and then use this palette so that your colors will really pop up so well. And I don't like those two colors. I haven't used black color in this look, but definitely I'm going to show swatch. So it is going to be one stroke swatch. And also I don't like about this palette is fallout problem. So it has major fallout problem. Otherwise yeah, it's colorful and it's beautiful. You can definitely use this palette, but you need to work on these colors to really pop up. So if you have seen this whole video, then you must have seen I have shown you guys 1 layer, 2 layer and 3 layer application. Also, you know guys, I was expecting more pigmented eyeshadows from Elegant brand, but they are not up to that mark. So yeah, that's my review about this palette. Okay, so that's that. And personally I like colorful looks more than nude looks. So let me know if you like this look, and if you like, then you know what you have to do. So you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to like this, you have to share with your friends, because sharing is caring. And I love you guys already, so please keep loving me. Yeah, see you. Bye bye.